and I'll just be showing you like the whole process of me setting up everything. I believe a lot of people would agree with me when I say that the 90s had some of the best runway looks. It comes with a mirror, and then I have some of the jewelry pieces there. I'm looking at myself. Hello, welcome to this video. So for today I have some schoolwork that I need to get done, and then I have an online lesson later. But before I do any of that, I will be taking some pictures for Instagram, which you will see later on in the video. And then I have some content I have to make for my Instagram page. And speaking of Instagram, I have an important notice for you. So for my announcement, I recently made an Instagram account called The Refined Charm, and what that account is about and how it's going to help you is I will be posting tips and advice related to fashion and to styling, and from time to time I will also be posting quotes related to fashion, styling, art, beauty, life, and anything related to those, just to give you a glimpse of some of the stuff that you will find on my page. I'm just gonna move over so you can see. One of the posts that I made some time ago was called Wardrobe Fundamentals, where I spoke about the different clothing items, the different basic clothing items that you can have in your wardrobe. Another post that I made on my page a few days ago is called Questions to Ask Yourself Before Buying New Clothes/Clothing Items. So those are some of the stuff that you will find on my page. And I have a few highlights up on my account, and I don't want to give too much away, but one of the highlights that I have on my page is called Vintage Runway Looks, where I will be posting runway looks from models in the 70s, the 80s, and most importantly the 90s, because I believe a lot of people would agree with me when I say that the 90s had some of the best runway looks. So I'll be posting pictures on there for you to take as a form of inspiration, maybe even add it to your mood board. I also have a highlight called Mood Board for you to check out as well. But like I said, I don't want to give too much away. So if you would like to check out my Instagram page, I will leave the link in the description box for you to follow. And I will also put the name of my page up on the screen here that you can check out after you finish watching my video. But that is it for my announcement. So I am going to start taking... So actually, before I start taking pictures for my Instagram, I obviously have to move some stuff away. So I'm going to move this chair, and then I'm going to get out like the clothes that I'm going to wear to take my Instagram pictures. And I'll just be showing you like the whole process of me setting up everything. I have my light over there, so that's already done. But I'm just going to get everything ready. And yeah, I'll just show you guys how I do everything.
I belong to you. Do just what you want. Let's go. You're the one I trust, and I always be around.
So I've just gotten rid of some stuff because I want to be able to set up this area. So I'm just going to go and get out my clothes that I'm going to be wearing to take my pictures. I have my lighting kit over there, so I'm just going to get my clothes and then start taking some pictures. So I'll be back. I'm just going to put these on and then I'll be taking some pictures. So I bought this jewelry box from Amazon a couple of days ago. It comes with a mirror, as you can see. It comes with a mirror, and then I have some of the jewelry pieces there. I don't have a lot of jewelry pieces. I want to start getting a bit more. So I'm just going to put on some of the rings that I have. Just set it over here on this table. So I'm gonna put on some of my rings. I'm just going to take some pictures now. Of course, I'm using my phone to record, so I have to stop recording this and you won't really see me taking the pictures, but I will show you what some of the pictures look like after I finished. And I have to do this pretty quickly because my lesson is going to start in less than an hour. But I will see you afterwards. And just so that you know, I have a few rings, I have my necklace, and I have my earrings here as well. So I'm gonna take some pictures, and then when I've finished, I will show you guys the results.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. Let's go. You're the one I trust.
everyone, so I have finished my lesson and I will now be, I'm just removing my charger. I will now be making my content for my Instagram, and I will be using Canva for this whole process. So it will probably take me, depending on, because I want to make more than one content today. So I want to make some for my Instagram feed, and then I also want to make some for my highlights. So I might spend like a little bit over an hour to do all of this.